In ISIS admissions under Lookups, we have the admissions checklists. This is a very different type of lookup. Here we have a number of checklists have been defined, and inside we have the details of that checklist. When checklists are applied to various family members, this information is copied to that family member. That means that at any point in time you can delete anything from here, and it will have no effect on any existing checklists attached to family members. These just serve as templates for creating them. To create a new checklist, we just come in here and create the checklist. We can add a note for this to describe what it's going to be used for. Again, this is very useful when you have multiple people in admissions or for the future when your staffing changes. Here we have it. Now we can open this by clicking on the little plus button and add some details. We have the action, and the action is very important because it's what will show for online applications as well. If there's a form associated with this action, we can indicate it, but it's not required. Here we have various forms that have been defined. If there's a date when this is required, we can indicate it. We can add a note. We can also indicate the initial status for this. In some cases, for instance, in a checklist, you might want to have some things be optional, while other things are going to be required. You can indicate whether or not this particular action should generate an alert, and if so, what type of alert should be generated. You can also associate this with a particular stage in the online application process. You can indicate whether or not this is a private item or public, and also, depending upon how you define your online applications module, you may be prompted here for additional names in alternative languages. Once you're done, you remember to save. You can, of course, always export this information by using your print button.